Our exercise of today is called contributive fold, where at regular interval, some group of people will make a contribution. Instead of you calculating manually using bureau, you can actually do it with computer through Microsoft Excel. This is a form of contributive fold that used to happen in our local Agbede market, which is every 4 days. To design this type of work, select a particular cell and press Ctrl semicolon. The date of that day will appear as in show in this case. Highlight the cell or the Home tab under the editing group. Click on the C icon. Then on the pop-up, click on series. Then the series box will pop out. Then under the series box, set value, the day interval. In our case, Agbede market day interval is 4 days. For 4 days, we press 4. The row or color is depending on your work, how your work is look like. If you observe, this our work is from left to right, meaning it's in the horizontal in landscape. So we need it to be in rows. Sorry. On the Home tab, under the editing group, you click on the C icon. In the pop-up, click on series. There we select rows, date, other date unit, date. This is our event is happening every 4 days, so keep on days. Then on step value 4, our example here, which is Agbede market, is happening every 4 days. Let's assume that our stop value, the date that the contributive fold will end, let's assume that day is the ending of the year 2019, this year. October, December, (31) 2019. Then you press OK. In Excel, where any particular cell, the data is shown in this format with cross does not signify error. What this signifies that there were no allow space to show the data in that particular cell. So wherever you notice any of this type, just know that there is not signifying error. It just indicates that there is no allow space to you can either increase the space or decrease the data you input. E.g. in our case now, let's decrease our data. Highlight the Home tab under the fourth group. You can increase there to any size. So let's indicate it with the name of people, names, and impute their name orders. Just successfully imputed the names. Left is imputing the payment. Remember to skip the space that any of the person did not pay, as shown in these figures. So after successfully imputing the figure in accordance with their daily payment, as shown in these figures, after imputing the figure or the money that they pay on daily basis, to put another sign into this their payment, let highlight, can highlight or highlight anyone After successfully inputting data in accordance with their various payment, the left is to input the currency symbol to show that those figures are actually currency something. On highlighting, click on the Home tab. After click on the Home tab, under the Global Group, you will notice the first symbol there is the dollar symbol. It indicates the currency. Click on the small drop down beside it and click on More Accounting Format. Then the format cell box will pop out, on which you will select the currency part of it and select Nigeria Naira symbol, which is NGN. Just press N, it will jump to N because they are arranged in alphabetical order. I press enter. Okay. You will notice now that all the figures now they are now incorporated with Nigeria Naira symbol, the Naira symbol, indicating 100 Naira each. The day that they were paid and the day they did not pay. Now, we want Microsoft Excel now to calculate the amount each person paid. To do that now, order total will start with equal sign. Then you will now use the function. The function we are using is the summation function, called sum or addition function. After inputting the equal sign, the next thing that we put in Excel, one looking for answer, one looking for result, is the function name. In this case now, which is SUM. Now equals to SUM, where the SUM will work in will be other bracket, open or close. So we open bracket. Now it will start working from the first date of payment, which is order B, meaning B18, which is order B19. It will start working from here. It will now reach to this place. So equals to B18 equals to sum open bracket B18 to as I explained earlier, that to or from or to reach something, you open is column B18 column B column the last date of payment. The last date of payment now is J, which is J18 close bracket. You will notice that Microsoft Excel now highlighted the cell, but unfortunately now the cell highlighted is the wrong one, meaning it was a mistake that we use 18. It is 19, not 18. 18 is the one that calculates our EIDA, the date. We actually calculated the money, not the EIDA. So which was instead use 19. All these are very necessary as we are learning to also know how error can come. So is B19 column J19. You will notice that our work now have ranged from B18 to J19. We now press enter. Another thing to notice in Microsoft Excel is while working with Microsoft Excel, we calculate only the first row as shown. We calculate only the first person. In this case now, notice that we only calculate for Martin. We calculate for Martin because we sum up using SUM, the Martin's row. However, sorry for Martin, what I can solve for the rest. To get the rest, you will highlight Martin answer, which this result show that Martin only paid $300 throughout the period of the contributions. If you count manually now, you can notice that it's only 3 times that Martin is paid. Meaning computer is right, which is still over there. To get the rest result now, highlight Martin result. Center the map on the fortune icon. Press and hold, then drag down. The rest result will show accordingly. You cannot see that the person that has the highest amount now is $800, the second person, which is Evelyn. When the work is as similar as this, what happens is almost the same thing using Biro to calculate or using a native calculator. But in most cases, this type of work, you will see a situation where they will go down to almost 1,000, 2,000. Be informed that even if they are out to 1,000, 10,000 people that do this contribution, you only solve for the first person. Drag it down or setting the table to automatically calculate down, we calculate for the rest of the person. This is a major advantage of Microsoft Excel. So whenever you are faced with a work that relates to this type pattern, contributing for or any sort, this is how you will be able to achieve it.